Morgan here with TechLife.net, and today we have our first Amazon Marvel Collector's Core.
Yay!
It's a pretty big box, and I'm told there's going to be Deadpool stuff.
Who told you?
I don't know how I knew that.
How did you find that out?
I'm amazing. It's the mind.
A balloon.
It opens. Oh my god.
Fuck you. Oh my god, Mitch!
Okay. Well,
It's Deadpool on a flippin' unicorn.
Flippin'? Now you... Okay.
Well, sure, I'm trying. Okay, look at...
That looks amazing.
I'm so excited.
Okay, this is... I thought this was my box.
Not this. It's even a bobblehead.
Yes. That is an exclusive. She's gonna open it, but it's no longer a collector.
And then I'm gonna lick it. Mine.
Oh, okay.
No, go ahead. You keep going. Yeah.
I'll proceed. Okay, it's looks like a luggage tag, a little Deadpool
Cute.
luggage tag. We don't really travel that often, but you know, it like to be useful for some people who.
Okay, seriously. It's just all. And then he's got. I'm so excited to put this in my collection. This I could put on my car dash.
Morgan has a collection all of a sudden.
I do.
Okay, so I can't have it at all again?
No, we always knew that when we heard this was happening. I mean, my God.
Okay. And this, I like it. It's made by Funko, oddly enough. It is a taco holder. Since Deadpool, you know,
oh my God,
loves tacos.
We will so use that. This is amazing.
It's unique. Look. I didn't notice that Deadpool's driving the truck. I guess it wouldn't be a Deadpool related unless Deadpool was driving the truck. That's cool.
Then it's just a taco truck.
Wonder if it's dishwasher safe. Doesn't matter. It's still cool. That's a unique item. I like it.
Fun.
And looks like we got his keychain. We got him holding his rubber ducky, getting ready for a shower. I love it. Also by Funko. Well, I guess this whole box is Funko. That's the point. I don't know why I'm saying that. Really good box. I love it.
Holy.
Yeah, that alone.
I
Just
know.
the
This is...
Deadpool riding. I've really grown to love the Funko Pops lately. Because
yeah. I'm even getting in on it. And
yes,
it's going to be a problem.
Just looking for them and finding the one that you like is amazing, and the different ones they have. But really good box. I like everything. Hey, no T-shirt. That's
finally.
Yeah.
I want more things like this, where you're going to use it.
Yes. I agree.
Like the pizza cutter, the Ninja Turtle pizza cutter, and it's legit.
Cutter was a favorite item.
Yeah, it was really good.
So, good first box. I think I would continue this.
Is it every month? Or?
Is it every other? No. Next, I think it's 1 month, but it's going to be, next month is going to be Venom.
Oh, okay, so they do one for each Marvel.
Yeah, they said every item will be Venom next month.
Okay, very cool.
I love it.
So
anyway, highly recommend it for the unicorn and Deadpool alone. I guess that's it.
Yeah.
Hey, thanks for watching.
Yay.